Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a collective haul. I went Christmas shopping and ended up getting myself some stuff. You know how that goes. You shop for other people, you see something you want, and you go ahead and get it. 'Tis the season. Anyway, before I get started with the haul, I want to say thank you to all my old subscribers that have been here since day one, my ride or dies. Y'all know I love you. And I want to say welcome to my new subscribers. Over the last couple months, I've gained a lot of new subscribers, and I want to say welcome, and I appreciate you guys for hopping on board and joining the family. And to those of you who have not already subscribed that are watching, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload my videos. I do everything on this channel: hauls, DIYs, home decorating, cooking, everything. So if you want, like stuff like that and want to join, hit the subscribe button. So anyway, let me get into this haul. Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Ross, and Big Lots. So let's get started. First place, I guess we'll start with, is Ross, since it's the first bag that I grabbed. I picked up some stuff for one of my daughters. She's really into the mental health and wellness, the Zen things and stuff like that. So I picked up some stuff for her in her apartment. So the first thing I got was this fountain. I thought this was absolutely her. Perfect gift for her. And this one was on sale. And if she's watching, honey, she know how mama shop. So anyway, it was on clearance, and it was $3.49. So it is battery operated. I'm gonna get the batteries too for her. And yeah, it's really cute. It's sort of like a stone look to it, and it's got those clean lines and stuff like that she likes. She has that minimalist kind of style, you know what I mean, or that Scandinavian mid-century kind of style about her. So anyway, I think this would be great for her apartment. And then I picked her up a I guess this is Moleskine, I don't know, but anyway, it's a sketchbook, and it is, I'm trying to see, I don't know if it is Moleskine, but anyway, it looks like Moleskine. But anyway, I love the texture of the cover. This is so her. It really is. So I got this for her as well, because she likes to plan and list and things like that. So I thought this would be a great gift. And this was $4.99. And if you're into planning and sketching and things like that, Ross is a good place to pick up stuff like this, a good resource for things like this. They have sketch books and planners. They even have happy planners. They have, like, the writing tools, the calligraphy sets, calligraphy pens, markers, all sorts of craft items you can find in Ross. So don't sleep on Ross for that. And then I picked up this planner. It's a 2020 planner, and it has this faux leather cover. I got this for the better half because he was asking for a planner. So I got this one because I thought it was really nice, and it's really masculine looking and all that stuff. And it says it is a professional planner for daily appointments and things like that. So I thought this was a good deal for $6.99. So I picked that up, and it has the zipper closure and all that stuff. So grab that. And then for my daughter, the same one, I found this incense gift set, and it's in a wooden box, and it has the incense cones, the burner holder, or the incense holder for the cone, and the burner, or the sticks, and it has sticks as well. And this is what it looks like, and this is so perfect for her, y'all. I love that. She gets that from me. She's a hippie too. A modern day hippie. But anyway, I grabbed that for her for Christmas. So yeah. And then of course, when I got the planner for the better half, I had to get one for myself. It is what it is, y'all. So anyway, it says "Be still" on the front and know that I am God. And it has, of course, the embossed cover It's like faux leather. And I thought this was really nice. It's a sort of a religious planner. So I thought this would be great for my faith planner this year. And it has quotes and things like that, or passages from the Bible, should I say, on the inside. So I'll get into that later when I do my planner setup video. But right now, I'm just going to show it to you in the haul. So that was from Ross. Now, let me move into Michaels. From Michaels, I was shopping for my youngest daughter because we found, and if you've seen maybe 2 or 3 hauls back, we found some happy planners that were on sale at Walmart. And so she fell in love with her. She actually got one as well, and she liked the dot pages or the bullet pages that go in the happy planner. And I went and picked some up for her from Michaels, and their planner section is so ransacked now. It's just unbelievable. And from what one of the employees were saying, they were going to reset that whole section come January or whatever. The store is going to be reset. So I'm hoping they fix all that, because it was a mess. I had a hard time finding this stuff. But anyway, all their planner supplies were 50% off, which is a good thing. And then I had a was it 50? Or 30%, it was 50, no, it was 30% off, I think. And then I had a 20% coupon. So anyway, you know, I ain't paying full price for nothing. You know that. I'm the clearance queen, the sale queen. But anyway, I got these pages. I think they were like $2 once I got through with all my coupons and discounts and all that stuff. So I got these for her happy planner. And I'm starting to kind of like the happy planner. I wasn't a happy planner person before, but I'm liking them. They're growing on me. So with that being said, I picked up some inserts for my happy planners. These are the social planner sheets, you know, for your social media, whatever. So I grabbed one of those to keep track of, like, you know, YouTube and all that good stuff, videos and things like that. So I'm going to see how they work out. I know some people are starting to make those pages and inserts and selling them on Etsy, but to grab those at the price that they were, I think they were like $5, and then I got the percentage off. I thought it would be best to go ahead and pick them up there. And with that being said, I picked up the classic paper punch for the happy planner because I want to do my own as well. Put my Cricut to use and use this. So this again ended up being $11, and I think it's regularly $25. Is my receipt? Let's see. Oh, yep, here it is. How much did I end up spending for this? It's $29 originally, and I think I ended up, let's see, Lord help me. Yeah, I ended up spending $11 for it. So I got this at a really good deal. I was super excited about that. So, yep. Don't forget to sign up for those coupons and stuff like that with these stores, because they do come in handy. They really do. I don't shop a whole lot like that at Michael's. I mean, I like to walk and look and get inspiration and shop the clearance aisles. But when I do go, I want to make sure that I'm getting my best, you know, or the best bang for my buck. So, yeah. All right. So, let's see. Where are we going to go next? Big Lots. Not Big Lots out. Big Lots, of course, I went in to see if I could find some more of those clearance candles like I did when they marked all their fall stuff down. I did find some candles. I don't know if they were from fall, but I got a couple because that's how I stock up, honey. I can't do the Bath and Body Works stuff even now that they're $9.50 when they go on sale for the big ones. But anyway, I do the Ross, the Marshalls, and places like Big Lots and get them on sale. So I picked up a couple. This one was $2.50. And I want to say it ended up being cheaper. Let me see. My receipt in here. No, it was still $2.50. But anyway, this is what it looks like. I love the jar. Will work good in my bathroom and in my bedroom. And I don't think it has the scent. Yeah, it's a tobacco. The scent is tobacco. Oh gosh, it smells so good. And I love it for $2.50. And then you can recycle the jar once you use the candle. And I want to say it's a soy candle too. Yeah. Okay, and then I picked up another one, and this one just has good vibes on the jar. I could care less what the jar looks like. I like the candle. And this one was $1.75. Oh gosh, and it smells good as well. This one is lemon zest and ginger. And yeah, so I got some really nice deals on candles. And that's what I do. I always buy my candles like at the end of the seasons, or if they have like a clearance sale or something, and then I put them up for, you know, the season that they are for. If it's like a neutral scent, like a vanilla or something like that, tobacco or something I could use all year, then of course I have, you know, a nice little candle stash. If you want to see my candle stash, let me know down below, because honey, I got one. I love, love, love candles. Love them. All right. Now let's do Dollar Tree, and then we will be done. Okay, I picked up some Christmas bows. You know, you gotta have the bows for the Christmas gifts. Picked up just some basics, you know. I got some Irish Spring soap. I just love how this smells. I take it out of the package and put it in my little soap holder in the bathroom, and it kind of scents the bathroom. So anyway, I got those. And then I got some lip, because my lips were so dry, and I had left my Carmex at home, and I was intending to buy some more Carmex, but they were out. I could not believe Dollar Tree was out of Carmex, y'all. At least the stick. I don't like the Uzi tube, you know, or the one you put your finger in. I like the tube. But anyway, I ended up getting this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lip Moisturizing Formula. So I'm going to try this, because your lips can get addicted to medicated lip glosses or chapsticks or lip balms or whatever. So I wanted to try this one and give my lips a break from the Carmex, but honey, nothing beats my Carmex. Anyway, I picked up a Type-C USB cable. These are hard to find for my phone. So when I saw it, I decided to pick it up and keep that one in my car. And it's already in there. That's why the box is empty. And then I picked up this little Matchbox red pickup truck. It's supposed to be a service truck, I guess. No, it's a Nissan. It was a 62 Nissan Junior, whatever. But all I saw was red truck. And I'm so over the red truck stuff. I really am. But when I saw the little truck, I thought of a DIY that I could do. I can actually paint this. But yeah, I picked it up because I had a DIY in mind. And again, I am so over the red truck and Buffalo. When I tell you I am, I'm over it. All right. Let me get off my soapbox. All right, then I picked up some batteries again for my daughter's fountain. I picked those up, and then just to have. And then, let's see. I'm going to put this stuff back in the bag. And, oops. Move on. Okay, so next thing I picked up were some items again for DIYs. I picked up some, what are these things? Pot holders. Brain fart. I picked up a pot holder, the, you know, basic regular pot holders. And then I picked up two of the, you know, I guess better quality pot holders that they have that have the silicone on the back. So I got those. And then for my daughters for Christmas, I got some makeup bags. I always get them little makeup bags, and I fill them up with things that they need. So I wish they had one more color. So two of them are going to get the same thing. So yeah, I got these, and these are nice. I probably should have got one for myself. I like the fact that it's that sort of like, I guess it's vinyl, if you want to call it that. I don't know. But yeah, I got 3 of those for them. And then I also picked up 3 hats. And again, I wish they had other colors. They had a red one, but I wasn't feeling the red. I just thought it was a little too Christmassy. So I got 2 of the silver and black, and then the sort of, I guess, purple and silver there. And these are cute. I almost wish I had got one for myself. Anyway, and then I got this dog leash for a DIY. I don't have a dog, but I got this for a DIY. So grab that from good old Dollar Tree. Ooh, and I hope y'all ain't heard that, because that was my stomach growling, child. I am so hungry. So when I get off this video, I'm going to make myself something to eat. All right, last bag from Dollar Tree. Okay, first thing Out of this one, I got some of the planner supplies that they have. So I picked up some of these paper clips with the tassels. I actually have these tassels and I actually have these paper clips, and I could have made these myself, and I still will. But I picked these up from Dollar Tree, and I think what I'm going to do, excuse me, is give these to my daughter. And then I picked these up as well, the ones with the pom-poms. I thought these were so cute, and you know, you can make these. These are easy to make. Bag of pom-poms and some paper clips and some glue. That's pretty much it. Or you can actually slide the paper clip through the pom-pom. So I ended up getting 2 packs of those. And again, I'll probably share those with my daughters. I got, excuse me, got a tickle in my throat. I got some of these pens. These are pencils. Again, for a DIY. And then I found these, well, actually, I'll do that next. Let me show you this first. I picked up some pens, and I thought these were, like, adorable. So I got a couple of these. And these are the Hourglass pens. They come in these 2 colors in black. And I actually picked up the black one in a later haul. So, I mean, no need of me going to get it, but they look like this, and they're just hourglasses, and I think they're so cute. Hopefully you can see that. These are cute. And what I like about these pens is the fact that they have a really fine tip. I don't know if you can see that. So they write nicely, and these are great for like writing in your journal. Yeah, there you go. You can see that tip on there. And Dollar Tree gets in some pretty good items and stuff like that. My daughter, my youngest daughter, actually loved those donut pens that they got in. And we've been trying to find more of those because she really likes the point on those. So, like, if you're a planner or, you know, somebody who loves, you know, journaling and things like that, check out Dollar Tree because they have some really nice, you know, utensils and things. And then I picked up this Yes To dual-ended mask tool, and it looks like that. They're getting a lot of Yes To products in, so I grabbed that. And I was saying earlier, I finally found these little dried flower bouquets. And they only had one of this one, and I grabbed it. And then I got this one. I think they had, was it another color? Because I probably would have got 2 of these. But it was a darker color. I can't remember what it was. I probably would have got 2 if they had it. But you can mix these together. But I got 2 of those as well. And I'm like, okay, Dollar Tree, I ain't mad at you. You guys stepping it up. I do notice that for them to kind of keep the prices at $1, a lot of the items are getting smaller. So I still appreciate it, but sometimes, you know, you can get more bang for your buck if you go to Walmart or Dollar General or somewhere. But I do appreciate that they're trying to keep those prices at $1, because I know some stores, they were trying out the $1.25 and stuff like that. But, you know, they're shrinking the size of things. But if you're going to get better quality stuff, I'm happy, Dollar Tree. And I think, ooh, make sure, because I always forget something. Oh, I did get some of the V8 strawberry lemonade juice. They actually have a nice, I think it's a gallon size, half a gallon size of juice. But it's downstairs and I didn't want to go down and get it. But I grabbed a couple of those because that's a good deal. And I think they had some more V8 products, but I'm not a fan. But those I wanted to try. So anyway, I grabbed those. But yeah, that's it for this haul. I hope you guys like it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and share this video. But yeah, that's gonna do it. Stay tuned for some last minute Christmas DIYs. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.